Hey guys, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. Looking to add more protein to your diet? Protein keeps you full and energized, essential for muscle mass. If you're active, protein is key for recovery. Eggs are great, but what if you're tired of them? Discover 15 foods with more protein than an egg. We'll share creative ways to incorporate them into your diet. Enjoy nutrient-rich foods that fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. Let's get started. First up, we have kefir, a powerhouse probiotic drink with 10 grams of protein per cup. That's more protein than an egg. Kefir is incredibly versatile. It has a tangy flavor and creamy texture between milk and yogurt. Enjoy it straight, in smoothies, or in baking. Use it in muffins or pancakes for a protein boost. Try a kefir shake with peanut butter and bananas, a perfect balance of protein, fats, and carbs. If regular kefir doesn't agree with you, coconut kefir is a great dairy-free alternative. It's always good to have options. Next on our list is a snack that's often overlooked for its protein power: pumpkin seeds. A quarter cup of these little guys serves up a solid 10 grams of protein. That's right, they're packing the same protein punch as an egg. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or sprinkled on your meals for a nutritional boost. Don't overlook the humble pumpkin seed. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Coming in at number 3, we've got a breakfast staple: oats. With a solid 10 grams of protein per cooked cup, oats are a versatile powerhouse that can fuel your morning right. Now I know what you're thinking, oatmeal gets boring, but hold on. Oats are like a blank canvas for deliciousness. You can go sweet with peanut butter and banana slices, or savory with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning and a dollop of avocado. Get creative and think beyond the bowl. Blend oats into smoothies for extra creaminess and fiber, or use them to whip up protein-packed pancakes or even a savory omelet. Trust me guys, the possibilities are endless. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of oats. Your body will thank you for the sustained energy and the extra protein boost to kickstart your day. Alright, Vibrant fam, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This stuff is a protein powerhouse, clocking in at a whopping 20 grams per cup. That's double the protein of an egg, people. Plus, it's loaded with gut-healthy probiotics, making it a win-win for your health. Now, I know some people find Greek yogurt a bit tart, but hear me out. You can easily sweeten it up with some fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of granola. And if you're feeling adventurous, try the viral TikTok hack and make it fluffy with a touch of baking powder. Trust me, it's a game changer. But Greek yogurt isn't just for breakfast bowls. You can use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in dips and sauces. It's also a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed snack or meal, reach for some Greek yogurt. It's versatile, delicious, and will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Let's be real, Vibrant fam. Breakfast sandwiches are delicious, but they can be nutritional minefields. That's where chicken sausage comes in. This lean protein source packs a punch with around 13 grams of protein per serving, making it a great way to start your day without the guilt. Chicken sausage is also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, alongside some scrambled eggs, or as part of a hearty breakfast burrito. But let's be honest, the real magic happens when you use it to elevate your breakfast sandwich game. Imagine this: a toasted whole wheat English muffin, a perfectly cooked chicken sausage patty, a slice of melty cheese, and a fried egg with a runny yolk. It's enough to make your mouth water, right? And the best part is, you can customize it to your liking with your favorite toppings. So ditch the greasy pork sausage and opt for the leaner, protein-packed alternative. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Alright, Vibrant fam, let's talk about a breakfast swap that'll have your taste buds and your body thanking you. Instead of the usual bagel and egg yolk routine, try this: smoked salmon and scallion cream cheese on your toasted bagel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Delicious, right? But here's the kicker, guys. This combo isn't just delicious, it's packed with protein. We're talking 25 grams of protein per cup of smoked salmon. That's more than double what you'd get from an egg. And it's not just about the protein. Smoked salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. These are essential nutrients that many of us don't get enough of. So ditch the yolks for a day and give this protein-packed omega-3 powerhouse a try. Your body will thank you for it. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, add some capers and red onions for an extra flavor kick. Trust me, this is a breakfast upgrade you won't regret. Let's be real, who doesn't love peanut butter? It's creamy, it's nutty, and it takes us right back to childhood. But peanut butter isn't just a nostalgic treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can seriously amp up your breakfast protein intake. We're talking 7 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty impressive for a 2-tablespoon serving. And the best part? Peanut butter is incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, toast. The possibilities are endless. One of my favorite ways to enjoy peanut butter for breakfast is in a smoothie. I like to blend it with some frozen berries, spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and almond milk for a quick and easy breakfast that keeps me full and energized all morning long. And don't forget about the healthy fats in peanut butter. While too much of anything isn't a good thing, healthy fats are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption, so go ahead and enjoy that peanut butter, guys. Just make sure to choose a natural variety with no added sugar or oils. Okay, Vibrant fam, I'm going to be honest with you, cottage cheese wasn't exactly my favorite food growing up. But over the years, I've come to appreciate this protein-packed dairy product for what it is. A nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot in your breakfast rotation. We're talking 24 grams of protein per cup, which is even more than you'd get from a serving of Greek yogurt. And it's not just about the protein. Cottage cheese is also a great source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Now I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese can be a little, well, bland. But that's where your creativity comes in. You can add so many different toppings to make it more appealing. Personally, I like to add some fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of granola for a sweet and satisfying breakfast. But you can also go the savory route with some chopped veggies, everything bagel seasoning, or even hot sauce if you're feeling adventurous. Back with another protein powerhouse, buckwheat. Buckwheat is wheat-free and packed with nutrients. It's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked buckwheat has 22 grams of protein and is loaded with fiber. Try overnight buckwheat porridge with almond or oat milk. Top it with peanut butter and walnuts for a protein boost. Trust me, this combination is a game changer. Alright, Vibrant fam, let's talk about another nutritional powerhouse, hemp seeds. These tiny seeds are often overlooked, but let me tell you, they are packed with goodness. First and foremost, hemp seeds are another fantastic source of plant-based complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Just 3 tablespoons of these little guys deliver a solid 10 grams of protein, along with an impressive 15 grams of healthy fats. And it doesn't stop there. Hemp seeds are also a great source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut and keeping those cravings at bay. But wait, there's more. Hemp seeds are bursting with essential minerals like phosphorus, which is crucial for strong bones, and zinc, which plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune system. Talk about a nutritional all-star. So, how can you incorporate these mighty seeds into your breakfast routine? It's super easy. Sprinkle them on top of your overnight oats, yogurt bowls, or even blend them into your smoothies for a boost of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Let's talk about a versatile ingredient that deserves a spot on your breakfast table: lentils. These tiny legumes are nutritional powerhouses, offering a hefty dose of both protein and fiber. Now I know what you might be thinking, lentils for breakfast? Trust me on this one. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein, making it an excellent plant-based protein source. And because they're also rich in fiber, lentils will keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. The best part about lentils is their versatility. You can enjoy them in countless ways for breakfast. One of my favorite options is lentil and avocado toast. Simply spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with a scoop of cooked lentils for a protein and fiber-packed breakfast. If you're craving something heartier, lentil breakfast burritos are the way to go. Scramble some tofu with your favorite veggies, add a generous scoop of lentils, and wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla for a satisfying and protein-packed breakfast on the go. Alright, Vibrant fam, let's talk tofu. I know, some of you might be thinking, tofu for breakfast? But trust me on this one, tofu is a nutritional all-star, especially for my plant-based peeps out there. It's a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. And when it comes to versatility, tofu's got it going on. One of my favorite ways to enjoy it for breakfast is in a scramble. Just crumble it up, toss it in a pan with some spices and your favorite veggies, and boom! You've got yourself a protein-packed breakfast that'll fuel your morning. But don't stop there. Tofu is like a blank canvas. You can bake it, stir-fry it, even blend it into smoothies. Get creative and experiment to find what you like best. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about finding what works for you and makes you feel your best. And hey, if you're looking to pump up the protein even more, try topping your tofu scramble with some tempeh bacon. We'll dive into that deliciousness in just a bit. Let's talk about an old-school breakfast staple, milk. Plant-based milk alternatives are great, but let's not forget the OG. Dairy milk packs 8 grams of protein per cup. Skim, 2% whole, or chocolate milk all offer calcium, vitamins B12, A, and D, essential nutrients for a healthy you. Add it to overnight oats for a creamy, protein-rich breakfast, or blend it into smoothies for a nutrient-packed start. Ultra-filtered milk offers more protein and less lactose. Don't underestimate this classic breakfast beverage. Alright, moving on to number 14, we've got chickpea flour. Half a cup of this stuff packs a whopping 10 grams of protein, guys. That's more protein than an egg, and it's a fantastic option for my vegan and vegetarian friends out there. Now, chickpea flour is made from ground chickpeas, and it's incredibly versatile. You can use it pretty much like regular flour in a ton of recipes. We're talking pancakes, muffins, you name it. Feeling adventurous? Try baking some chickpea flour biscuits to go with a plant-based tofu scramble. And hey, don't think you're limited to just the flour. Whole chickpeas are awesome too. They're packed with protein and can be used in so many creative ways for breakfast. You can even use them as a substitute for potatoes in some recipes. Who knew, right? So next time you're looking to pump up the protein in your breakfast, give chickpea flour a try. Trust me, your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Next up is tempeh, coming in at number 15 on our list. This fermented soybean product is a complete protein powerhouse, with a whopping 33 grams of protein per cup. That's more than 3 times the protein in an egg. Now you might be wondering how to work this into your breakfast routine. Well, let me tell you, tempeh bacon is where it's at. It's crispy, it's savory, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Just slice some tempeh thin, marinate it in a smoky and slightly sweet mixture, and then pan-fry it until it's nice and crispy. Trust me, the smell alone will have your mouth watering. Throw that tempeh bacon on a breakfast sandwich with some avocado and a tofu scramble, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. And the best part? Tempeh is packed with fiber and other essential nutrients, making it a super nutritious and satisfying way to start your day. So there you have it, folks. 15 incredible foods that pack even more protein than an egg. From creamy kefir to hearty lentils and everything in between, there are so many delicious and nutritious ways to fuel your body in the morning. Remember, a protein-rich breakfast can help you feel fuller for longer, stabilize your energy levels, and support your muscles after a great workout. So get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors and textures, and find what works best for you. And as always, thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.